we want to find the 70th percentile of this list of 29 number. So I already list the i's, the index I, okay, the position of the numbers down below this list. And now if we want to find, let's say the first example, 50th percentile, okay, that is the same as the median. And we do know how to find the median. The median is a number that is in the middle. Okay, we can count which number is in the middle and should be able to find that median is 15, or the number 47 is the median. You can count there are 14 number before the number 47 and 14 number behind the number 47. That is how we can do for counting. But if we have hundreds of numbers, that's impossible to count. That's why we need to use this formula. Okay, so I equal K divided by 100 times, so this is multiplication, N plus 1. What is telling you is if you want to find the 50th percentile of a list of number, the I is telling you its position, okay, so where the number is. So how do we find the 50th percentile? So first, we know the K. K is the percentile. Right here is 50. You divide it by 100. Now you can think of it as 0.5. The whole fraction is 0.5. You can think of it that way. So then you multiply it by how many numbers are there. So N is the number of data in the list. We have 29 of them. Okay, we have to add 1. And that is just part of the formula to make the formula work correctly every single time for any kind of data. So now we have 0.5 times 30. You can use a calculator. It tells us that the number is at the 15th position. Now the number 15 is the position. It's not the median. The median is a number that is on the list. So the median is where? The median is at 15, and that number is 47. So that's how we answer the question. And we know the ground truth. 47 is the median because we can count. There's 14 numbers before it and 14 numbers after it. So now go back to the original question. We want to find the 70th percentile. So how do we find it? Again, we use a formula. I equal K in this case is 70 divided by 100 times 29 plus 1. So it's 0.7 times 30 is 21. So it's telling you that the number that you're looking for is at the 21st position. You can tell that number is 64. So that is the 70th percentile. So then your answer is the 70th percentile is the number 64. Now work on a slightly complicated or not so intuitive problem. It's 83rd percentile. Okay, so what number is at the 83rd percentile? We know we don't have 83 number. Okay, so that means there would be number, the 83rd percentile might not necessarily be one of the number in the list, but the formula is going to tell us where it is. So we follow the formula. I equals 83 divided by 100 times 29 plus 1. So you use a calculator. Okay, that is equals 24.9. It's telling you that is the position that you need to look at. But we know there's no such 24.9 position, so we have to round it down. Okay, so keyword, round it down to 24 and round it up to 25. And it's telling us, okay, the number is right here, so the answer is laying right here. That is our 83rd percentile, but we need to give a number as an answer. So how do we do it? Well, we find the 24th number, which is 71, and we find the 25th number, which is 72, and we take the average of it. So it's 71 plus 72 divided by 2. So the answer would be 71.5. So what it means is if the age is 71 and a half, that will be above, that age will be above 83% of the ages that is listed. So that is how you calculate percentile.